Say please and thank you. Express gratitude and politeness when asking for something or receiving help. Greet people. Say hello or hi when meeting someone. Say sorry. Apologize when you make a mistake or hurt someone unintentionally. Listen carefully. Listen when someone is speaking without interrupting them. Respect elders. Show respect to your elders by being polite to them. Say excuse me. Say excuse me when trying to get someone's attention or when passing by. Be kind to animals. Show empathy and care towards animals, respecting their needs and space. Help others. Offer help to those in need without being asked. Cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing. Cover your mouth with your hand to prevent spreading of germs. Be grateful. Always appreciate what you have and express gratitude. Respect nature. Take care of the environment and do not litter around. Wait for permission. Ask for permission from your elders before doing something you are unsure of. Use kind words. Always use kind and positive words when speaking to others. Don't use bad language in front of anyone. Sharing toys and possessions. Practice sharing your things and take turns when playing with others. Be honest. Always speak the truth and avoid lying. Stand up for others. Stand up against bullying or unfair treatment towards others. Respect differences. Accept and respect for people of different backgrounds, cultures, and abilities. Be polite on the phone. Answer the phone politely and take message if needed. Be punctual. Learn to always obey the value of time. Use table manners. Practice proper dining etiquettes like using utensils correctly and chewing with your mouth closed.